Good morning students, 10th standard maths chapter 2 is arithmetic progression. In previous class we are discussing about what is arithmetic progression and general form and then nth term form. Again recall that what are the content for given for this exercise, that only revised. So general form means a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d up to etc. And then nth term, so number of terms you find out means apply this formula. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is a first term, n means number of terms, and d is a common difference. Okay, then sequence is a first term and then common difference, and then last term given means n equal to apply this formula within bracket L minus a divided by d plus 1. Close the bracket plus 1. That one is a 3 formulas only apply for this exercise 2.5 question sum. Already first Roman number completed. So today's class okay, exercise 2.5 is a second question continuation. First term a and common difference d are given below. Find the corresponding AP. So corresponding AP means first term and then common difference given. Find the arithmetic sequence, that only you find out. So apply the general form and find out the sequence. So what is the general form? A plus d, and then a plus 2d to etc. Okay, only minimum 3 times only find out. Okay, so what is a value? So a equal to 5 comma a plus d within bracket mention 5 plus 6 comma next one is a plus 2d, a value 5 plus 2 into d value is a 6 only. Find out the answer. A comma 5 plus 6 11 comma 5 plus 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 5 is add the term, 12 plus 5 is a 17 only up to etc. So the given sequence are 5 comma 11 comma 17 up to etc. only. Okay, the same content for the third question also. A equal to 3 by 4 and d equal to 1 by 2. Find the corresponding AP. Okay, the same one, general formula only apply. So what is the general form? A plus d, a plus 2d up to etc. Okay, substitute the a value and then d value. So a equal to 3 by 4 comma a plus d. So only fraction term this term. A plus d value is 1 by 2 comma next one a value 3 by 4 plus 2 into within bracket what is the d common difference is a 1 by 2. Okay, this term is a numerator and denominator is directly cancel. Only multiple symbol given means directly cancelled by the terms. Okay, next one is a 3 by 4 comma this one is a denominator are different. You find the LCM. So what is the LCM? 4 and 2. You directly write down LCM 4. This term multiplied by 1, then numerator multiplied by 2 only. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 2s are 2. Okay, the next one denominator is not mentioned means denominator is a 1 divided by 1 only, 2 directly cancel. Is a 4 is a LCM of the term. So first term multiplied by 1 into second term multiplied by numerator multiplied by 4. Okay, so 3 plus 4. So write down the answer. 3 by 4 comma 3 plus 2 is a 5 by 4 comma 3 plus 4 is a 7 by 4 up to etc. Third question, find the first term and common difference of the arithmetic progressions whose nth terms are given below. So nth term given Tn equal to minus 3 plus 2n. Find the first term and then common difference. So first term means a, put the question mark, and then common difference also find out. So nth term are given. So first 3 terms only you find out, and then write down the first term is a and then d means second term subtract to the first term, you find out the answer. Okay, first one is a t1, n equal to 1 only substitute, minus 3 plus 2 into 1. So what is the answer? Minus 3 plus 2 equal to 3 is a big number, you subtract the term is a minus 1. Next term is a t2 equal to minus 3 plus within bracket 2 into what is the n value is a 2 equal to minus 3 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 is a big number. So difference and given, subtract that number. 4 minus 3 is a 1. And the next one is a T3. So T3 equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 3. Find out minus 3 plus 2 3s are 6. What is the answer? 6 is a greater number. 6 minus 3 is a 3. So T1, T2, T3 are find out, mention minus 1, comma 1, comma 3 and so on. So this one T1, T2, T3. Okay, what is the first term? What is the answer given? A equal to minus 1. That one is the first term. And then D, you find out D equal to T2 minus T1. First of all, check the answer. T2 1 minus T1 is a minus 1. Okay, minus into minus, change the sign, is a plus 1 only. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. First set T2 minus T1 equal to 2. Again you check the next part. It's a T3 minus T2. What is T3? 3 minus 1. What is the answer? 2. So both the term also common difference are equal. So D equal to 2. Fourth question. Find the 19th term of an AP minus 11, comma, minus 15, comma, minus 19, etc. So sequence given when first find out the first term and then common difference. First of all find out. So what is the first this term mentioned? T1, T2, T3. So what is the first term? A equal to minus 11. And then find out the D, T2 minus T1. So T2 means is a minus 15 minus of minus 11. Okay, so minus 15, minus into minus, change the sign, is a plus only, plus 11. So what is the answer? 15 minus 11. So 15 is a big number, subtract the term, is a 4. And then the big number sign is a minus 4 only. You check the next term also, minus 19 plus 15. What is the answer? That also minus 4. So D equal to minus 4. Okay, you find out T19. So T nth term formula only apply. So find out T19 only, put the question mark. So what is the nth term formula? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You find out T19th term. So T19 equal to, what is the A value? Minus 11 plus n number of terms. So 19 minus 1 into, what is the D value? Find out minus 4. Right, minus 11 plus 19 minus 1 is a 18 into minus 4. Right, minus 11. So bracket, inside the bracket is a 1 minus given when put the sign is a minus. 2 minus when minus into minus plus only. So minus 8 4s are 32, balance 3. 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Add the term, 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 1 8. Same sign given means sign, put the sign is a this minus symbol only given. So T19 equal to minus 83. And the next one is the fifth question. Which term of an AP 16, 11, 6, 1 is minus 54? Okay student, this sequence is a finite sequence only given. So find the number of terms. Which of the terms of the value is minus 54? That only ask the question. So find the A value and then common difference. A equal to, that one mentioned T1, T2, T3, T4. This one is a last term, L only. So A equal to 16 and find out D equal to T2 minus T1. So 11 minus 16. What is the answer? 16 only big number. 16 minus 11 is a 5. Big number sign is a minus 5. Okay, students. So L equal to last term also given minus 54. You find the number of terms. N only find it. What is the formula? So N equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. That one is a number of terms. Apply this formula. Substitute the values. L minus 54. What is the A value? Minus 16 divided by, what is D? D equal to minus 5. Close the bracket plus 1. Okay, this one add the terms. Same sign given means add the terms. 6 plus 4 10, balance 1. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 this is 7. Sign is put the minus symbol, minus 70 divided by minus 5. Close the bracket plus 1. So numerator and denominator minus symbol given. So directly cancel the sign. 5 table, how many times? 1 5s are 5, balance 2. So 20 how many times for? 14 times. So 14 plus 1 equal to, what is the answer? Is 15. So n equal to 15. So write down the answer. 15th term is, what is the 15th term? What is the value given? Minus 54. 15th term is minus 54. Example 2.25. Find the 15th, 24th and nth term. Nth term is a general form. Often AP given by 3, 15, 27, 39 up to etc. So sequence are given. So already this question is a 3 questions are to find out 15th term, 24th term and then nth term. So general form only applied. So first of all sequence are given. Find the first term and then common difference. You mentioned T1, T2, T3, T4. So what is the A? 3 only, and D equal to T2 minus T1. So 15 minus 3. So what is the answer? 15 minus 3 equal to 12 only. You find out the next term also, 27 minus 15. That also, what is the answer? 12. So common difference are both the sequence also equal only. So A equal to 3, D equal to 12. So first term, what is the first term covered? T15. So T15 equal to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. So apply the value 3 plus n minus 1, 15 minus 1 into D value is at 12 only. So write 3 plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into 12. So multiply the term, 14 into 12. 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 4, 1 table is a 1, 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 1. So 3 plus, remove the bracket, answer 168. So add the answer, 3 T15 equal to, what's the answer? 8 plus 3, 11, balance 1, 6 plus 1, 7, so 1. So answer T15 equal to 171. Okay, next one, you find out next, what is the next question? T24. So right, T24 equal to, the same formula only apply the term, number of terms only 24 only mentioned. So what is the A value? 3 plus n is a 24 minus 1 into D is a 12 only. So right, 3 plus 24 minus 1, 23 into 12. So multiple the term, 23 into 12. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3, 2, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 2. So 3 plus 2, 76. What is the answer? 6 plus 3 is 9, 7, 2. So T24 equal to 279. Okay, next one you find out nth term. So nth term means is a Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so A and D only given for this question. What is the A value? 3 and common difference 12 only. So number of terms is not mentioned. Okay, substitute this value. A equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference is a 12 only is a common difference. So write 3 plus the both the term outside 12 only given, multiply by both the term also multiply by 12. So 3 plus 12 into n, 12n minus 1 into 12 is a 12. So write the term, this is constant term 3 minus 12. So what's the answer? 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3. So answer 9. So Tn equal to 12n minus, big number sign is a minus, 12n minus 9. Okay students, today's homework. Second question, first term A and common difference D are given below. Find the corresponding AP. See A equal to 7 and D equal to minus 5. Okay, next third question, find the first term and common difference of the AP whose nth term are given. So second question, Tn equal to 4 minus 7n.